Hey guys, welcome back to RS Car Premium. So a lot of people were asking me, sir, what is the suggestion to make your car from base to top? So we are going to start a set of series on base to top modification. The first car which we have taken is Maruti Suzuki Glanza. So we are going to talk about what all accessories you can add for base to top. So what will be the genuine accessories and what are the options you get to add in your car with a good quality accessories. First thing, on exterior you can add a DRL which will be an genuine parts, and if you see with the headlights, right, it will be an halogen bulb. So what you can do is you can add an LED bulbs. Generally what we do is we add an RSCARPREMIUM 120 watt LED bulbs. So other main important thing is an auto folding mirror. You get a basic mirror only with an adjustment. So what we need to do here is we need to completely change the mirror, which will work on your switches as well as on the remote key, which will be of a genuine parts. Other main important thing is back for looks, you can add your taillights, which will be of a genuine parts from Suzuki. To make your car look much more better, you can use a diamond cut alloys, which will be of a genuine parts, or you can put an external alloys of 16 inches only. You will be getting with a multiple option. On interior, the first important thing is your Android system. So as part of RS Car Premium, either we use a Black Punk or an RS Car Premium system, which will starts from 15,000. There's a range up to 50,000, depends on your RAM and processor. So once you have put your system, other main important thing is your steering control. So what you are going to do here is we are going to replace the steering control of your top end, which will be of leather, which will help you to activate on your steering controls. Suppose if you need a cruise control, you can be adding an extra cruise control, but that will be costing you separately. So other main upgrade is your comfort of your car. Other major thing what we are going to talk here about is the comfort. So on comfort, first thing is your seat covers. On seat covers, we are going to give an autofoam seat covers, which will be of a Luxanzo material, which will not heat or sweat, even smell, which comes with a 5 years warranty. So other major important thing is a mat, where you can go for a 3D mat or a 7D mat, or if you feel like I wanted to cover my complete floor, you can go for a complete floor matting or a luxury matting. So which will cover your entire car. The most important thing is when you go for a long drive is your armrest. What we are going to do here is we are going to put a Maruti Suzuki genuine armrest. If you wanted to add your lighter, also you can add. If you wanted to add your AC control, also you can get it added. Those all will be an extra costing which will not come inside your package. We have upgraded from base to top. The most important thing is your speakers, because on base model you don't get the speakers. So what we always suggest is on front you can go for a component speakers and back with a coaxial speakers. What we do generally in RS Car Premium, we use a Sony Alpine or Focal, which starts from the range of component and coaxial from 8,000. We have a range up to 50,000 for the basic model. So you can choose what kind of audio you need. If you need amplifier, subwoofer or a DSP, that will be an extra cost. So after watching this video, you will be always commenting like, sir, price. So if you wanted to know the price, because the market there is a multiple qualities of material which comes, so we cannot be sharing the price on publicly. So if you really need to know about what will be the costing for your particular car pricing, please DM us. We have given the below number, so we'll be giving the information along with prices. So still, if you have any questions, please do call us or reach to our store. We'll be very happy to give you the complete information. If you think this information was useful, please follow RS Car Premium.